So, di ba last year, may nakastart na tatlo may kanya about sa climate change. We are aware na kung saan ang climate change, no?
Yes.
Is wondering kung ano ang climate change, mga pamilya. This is, di ba, common? This is a common topic na climate change is elementary pa rin siya. Yeah, elementary pa rin siya, yeah. We didn't know the reason nga nung balik-balik ko ulit si climate change. For us, ganun, every year, kung gano'n nga ang ulit si climate change, hindi siya bawa sa topic. Anyone? Why is climate change is a common topic, pero anong every year, when we discuss mabunin nato, anong kailangan mo nato may pao-add ang kung sa'yo pa sa climate change for awareness. Okay, for awareness. Now, let's review its description. So climate change refers to long-term shift in temperature and weather patterns. This shift may be natural, such as true variation in sunlight received by the Earth, or may be human-induced, such through the emission of greenhouse gases. So climate change is not just just natural or again from natural or shift, or it can also be human activities. Like karon, ang climate change is was contributed by humans, not by natural. Now, so na yung mga factors na nakaka-affect sa climate change. Unang sila ang Earth's movement around the sun. And then, ang naana siya involving cycles na itawag natin as Milankovitch parameters, then the global warming and greenhouse gases, and we have the future actions, either atong nagkagaang solution, si climate change, or mas worsen siya. Despite the solution ng hindi ko, despite sa atong mga awareness, hindi pag-mga mga advocacies, sa future actions, hindi na may ko, sa ako na ito pag-reduce na kaya mo lagi, kaya di ba nakakulod ang mga tao sa kalibutan? They can always make ways in order to worsen the situation. Now, the Earth's movement around the sun influenced by melancholic cycles. So kapag movement na igulo sa Earth, naka-influence siya sa climate change through melancholic cycles. Has historically caused gradual climate changes over millennia. However, the rapid warming observed today cannot be solely attributed to these natural cycles. So as indicated, ang climate change currently is mostly was contributed by humans. And we are one of them, mga tao na nakakontribute sa dito. Isa tingnan na, nagkaroon sa nagsulong din niya punta, di ba? So human activities, primarily the emission of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane, have significantly accelerated the warming process. Eh, kanimong si carbon dioxide and methane is already a half chemical or a half element that is organic already. Unlike sa oxygen is cold gas. While the carbon dioxide and methane is already a hot compound. So therefore, kung hot sila ang compound, contribute sila sa heat sa Earth, in global warming, and global warming is another factor of climate change. So these gases trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to rising global temperatures and global warming. So to mitigate future climate change, urgent actions are necessary, including transitioning to renewable energy sources, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and implementing sustainable practices. So as you can see, every, di ba sa ITEC, every time na always involved si Kuan, si Sanitaw na ang ako may gusto ako pag-reduce ko na rin siya para hindi siya kako. Isugod siya takbalan na problema din sa kalibutan. So, we can tell, kung kasi may in the future, we're going to act urgently